Slide latch plate onto install guide. Slide latch plate and install guide into magnetic lock. Peel and stick the adhesive onto both magnetic lock and latch plate. Determine the mount position for the magnetic lock. Peel the release paper. Open the drawer and stick it in place. Ensure the latch plate is at the edge of the drawer. Peel the release paper. Close the drawer to adhere, and the magnetic lock will adhere to the drawer front. Open drawer again and the magnetic latch will slide out. Remove the install guide once complete, press adhesive for 30 seconds and wait 1 hour before using to ensure the adhesive is bonded. The magnetic lock has a red-green locking indicator. Green means the lock is engaged and will lock the drawer or cabinet when closed. Red means the lock is disengaged and the drawer or cabinet can be opened freely. The magnetic locks are operational up to 25 millimeters. Hold the key near the lock to unlock. To lock, simply push drawer shut. Always check the drawer is locked. For added strength, fix with provided screws. Use provided stickers to locate the lock easily every time. Magnetic keys should be always kept out of reach of children.